Hello, Millie. Hello. Say hello. Hello to the YouTubers. My incredible Parrot. Hello. Ow. There's another guest bird there. Just scared because it's new. Hello, Millie. Hello. You can see it. It's there. It's just running away really fast, so I don't think that you can see it really good. So here's my I have had Millie nearly about I had her nearly about 2 years. Well, I had it nearly her 2 years, so yeah, next year we'll have it's 2 years, so here's Millie. We'll give her something nice in a minute. Here. She really likes bananas. These dried bananas. She really loves them. And she's eating them. She really likes them. So yeah, this is this red or pink whatever cage. Big. It's big, and this one's quite small because it's a small bird. Right, so there she is. I don't see how I record properly because I just have one inner camera, so it's not comfortable. So I don't know if you can see it. See this little bird. So yeah, maybe you can see it. So say goodbye, Millie. This is the little bird squeaking really loud. Millie, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye, YouTubers. In the next video, I'll do some Xbox gameplays. Alright, see ya, YouTube.